Hello guys, welcome to another trading video in which you will get to learn candlestick pattern and price action. Today we will trade in high volatile pair, which is gold versus US dollar. I hope I will try to explain you well so that you can also trade well in such patterns. Share if you like this video so that you can get to see more such videos. I have $4,500 in this account. Let's see if we can grow it or shrink it. This will be known later in the video. First we will apply trade because the market is in the right place right now, by which our risk can also be minimized. I am using 0.14 lot size here. See you after applying trade. Guys, we are walking in loss while applying trade, which is around $287. We will put the trade on hold until we make a good profit. Our entry is at the right place here. We can manage our trade well. Major trend of the market is downtrend, but I still followed buying in trade place. You will understand better after analysis. The previous trend of the market was a strong uptrend where buying opportunity was created. Let's first create a downtrend channel. This will let us know about lower high and lower low. For this, take the trend line and put it on the lower high side. Because the market has taken resistance here, we will place this trend line well, because all the further analysis will be on this trend line. Now take another trend line and put it on the lower low point with the same angle. This will give you an idea where the market has taken support, by which you will be able to predict well that the market will be called. This trend of ours is working perfectly, just like we applied trend line. The market has kept up down at the same place. At this point the market gave a trend line breakout on the upside, due to which we have created good opportunity of buying. Here we can make good profit so that we can see good move in the market. The market has also made candlestick pattern at this place, which gives us a better indication that the market will go up from here. Let me tell you by drawing. First we will use arrow line. The market come down first where the market took the first support. Then the market went up with support. So we got to see the reversal candle. The market went up a bit and then come down where the market had already taken support. Took support from here again and went up. Where is it going up? While breaking the trend line. Here the market has made a double bottom, which gives us an indication to change the trend. Wherever you see double bottom or double top, then understand that there is a high percentage chance that the market will change its trend. Here we get to see the trend line breakout along with the candlestick pattern, from which we can predict well that the market will go up now. Now we do further analysis so that we will know the history of the market. How did he react in history? From this we can predict how the market will react in future, so that it can be easy for us to manage the trade. Here we are again seeing the candlestick pattern. Let me tell you by drawing it. We'll use arrow line again. For this the market went up before here where the trend line took resistance. Here again come down with resistance and we got to see 2 to 3 reversal candle. Again the market went up and again took a slight resistance to trend line. Taking resistance here, the market went down where we see a move of 150 pips to the downside. Here the market formed a double top candlestick pattern, which gives us the indication of trend reversal. Wherever you see double top or double bottom pattern, mostly there the market changes its trend. You will easily find such patterns in the market where you can trade. Now let's go back a bit where we will see more reversal patterns, so that we will never face any problem on such pattern trade in future. Here again we see the candle which we will draw. For this we will take arrow line again. Market first come down from here and took support below. Took support here and then went up, where we got to see resistance. The market again come down with resistance where our support level was. From here the market took support and went up with a strong move, where we got to see double bottom. You can clearly see how the market has created a double bottom pattern and we saw a move of about 300 pips. This gives an indication of how strong the double top and double bottom are. You can go through the history and you will find many such examples where the market reversal with such a pattern. The market will go up from where we took the trade because there is also a strong candlestick pattern. You have to take trade in very simple way. You make the market more complicated, which makes it difficult for you to understand the market structure, and you place the trade in the wrong place, which increases your chances of losing and you make loss after loss. Let's draw support resistance level now, making it easier to stop loss. The easiest way to draw support resistance level is where you can see multiple support and multiple resistance. That is the strong support resistance level of the market. For this we will use the rectangle tool and place it here, because here we have got to see multiple times reversal. This is the current strong support resistance level of the market. The market took support here and went up towards the trend line. Took support here too and went up again towards the trend line. Took a little support at this place, and by breaking this support we got to see the resistance candle here. Here the market has broken the trend line as well as strong support resistance level and going up where we took the trend reversal trade. So far our analysis is going in the right direction, where we have high chances of getting good profits. If your analysis is correct then it increases your chances of profit. but if your analysis does not work well, then your chances of loss will increase. Now we set stop loss and target point. Now we have no work left. Here my stop loss will be placed below the strong support resistance level and inside the downtrend channel, which is down 54 pips. My target point will be 111 pips above where the market will make new higher high, because now moving towards an uptrend. Guys, my loss keeps on increasing, which has gone from $287 to $664. Let's quickly set stop loss and target. Coming to the bottom of the market, because here's to trendline breakout with support resistance level, from which we will get to see the retest. Here we have drawn the pattern correctly, but no one knows when the market will reach our target point. Now let's draw another trend line, due to which it will be easy to understand the previous trend of the market. For this we will take only one trend line and apply it in this place, because here the market was in an uptrend. Our gun strategy is also working here, like we took a trade by combining two strategies in the previous video. Same will be seen in this video. Here the market gave a breakout on this trend line and we got to see the double top candlestick pattern, where the market changed its trend. Earlier the market was in an uptrend, now it is a downtrend. You have to do similar analysis and manage your trade well, so that you too can make good profits. Always follow the risk management, which has been told about the risk management in the previous video, how to trade with proper lot size. Let's meet the guys after the stop loss or target is hit.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon, and I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do.
Guys, very beautiful profit. Our analysis worked exactly as we thought. The market reacted the way we draw the level, which is a good thing. As I told you earlier, that if your analysis is in the right direction, so no one can stop you from making profit. The market is very close to our target. We will close the trade as soon as the target is hit, because the market has gone up very fast. It can come down very fast anytime, so we will follow our rules in a proper way. Guys, now let's wait for a while. Our target will be hit soon. Come on guys, we followed our rules very well. Our goal was achieved, where we applied the target. The market is going away from it. We don't want to be greedy anymore. We will stick to our rules. If you also want to achieve this target, then you have to be very patient, so that you too can achieve big goals. I am closing the trade now. We are currently running $6,447 in profit. Our trade went to $600 loss, but we were patient and then the market went straight up. I close all trades. See you after some time.
You can never beat them and they're better than you face it. Thinking that they give a damn, you're not thinking straight, kid. No, they don't give a damn, you got what I'm saying? I'm not fucking playing, I'll give it to you straight, man. There's too many others and you're not that great, man. Stop what you're saying, stop what you're making. Everybody here knows that you just faking. Nah, I don't wanna hear it anymore. I don't wanna hear it anymore. All these fucking thoughts, they are not what I need anymore.
We deposited $4,500 in this account, which has grown to $11,146. We have grown this account with proper risk management. We have generated 145% return today. Here you can clearly see the market is still going up. We will soon see the market reverse, where we draw strong support resistance level. The market retested at the same place and went up. Here we have captured about 120 pips move. The market respected our set double bottom pattern, worked perfect here too. Now we will create another supply demand zone here, by which we can find out where the market can take resistance, where else will he take support. For this we will take the rectangle tool and put it here, because here we are seeing multiple time reverse points. This is also a strong support resistance level. We can expect further that the market will go up with support from this level. This is a very simple analysis. As we went to the market, we draw the level, and the market reacted at the same level. You can also make such a strategy. If you want more strategy, you can check my channel playlist. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Always keep learning, keep moving forward. See you in the next video.
Like this.